So as you see, I have done quite some programming, and we're at the point where not only the hardware is ready, but also most of the software. And we installed it on there, and I think what is left to do is now testing it. Of course, this is an artificial window, and we have some real windows here. So let's get rid of the real windows. Closing things up. Good. So now we just have our artificial window here. And if you look at it, it usually just shows the clock. So here's the little Raspberry Pi with a touchscreen. So I can actually go on there. And so you see I already set it to white. I can set it to a bluish sky. Or I think usually it will be in this mode where you can see a little bit of meadows or a big lawn. And there's a little clouds in there, and the rest is sky. So it's kind of a sunny afternoon. So here I have a menu where you can actually choose different colors. So there's actually a color circle here, so I can do yellow, or I can just mix my own color if I want to. I can switch back to the meta mode. I can work on the brightness here, so I can make it more brighter, or I can make it less bright. And then I have a menu where I have different audio tracks I can choose. So let's go again here on the meta mode. So I'll go to colors, do this kind of nice background of a sunny day. And so maybe want some birds in the background. So that's probably the default mode if you like birds, if you want to have a lot of birds. But I downloaded other things on there. So you can also have some waterfall with birds. And you can kind of basically pick your own sounds you want to have on there. So let's switch everything off again. And for example, do a sunrise animation. So there you can see I accelerated this a little bit. Usually that would go over half an hour, but here you can see the sun now coming up on this. And soon it should come to full brightness. So there we go. And that's it, and I will show you the sunset. And this is the same thing in reverse. So first it's still all bright, and then very soon you will see that it starts getting darker. Going slowly direction red from yellow, and the sky gets more bluish, and then golden red, and we have night. And let's kind of start a fireplace, a romantic fireplace setting. So build something here, and this is a combination of sound and light. So you can actually hear the crackling of the fire in the background. Soon is Halloween, so I thought we needed some other interesting animations on here. So I will stop the fireplace now and show some simple animations. So I build a lightning stroke. Careful, I will just press this, and then you see we had lightning and thunder. I do it again. Again. But of course that's kind of still natural, and some people might like this. So on Halloween we also need blood and screams. See, the blood is slowly running down here. It's kind of magic blood, so because it sparkles red. Let's switch this off and start the whole Halloween show. Are you ready to be scared? So I took kind of a musky, dark gray setting here and some scary sounds of inside a house. There was a thunder, you see? About every minute we get a special effect now running here. There will be the screams and the thunder kind of mixing with the scary sounds of the house. Just enjoy some of this footage. If you like, I will talk more about how to make the special effects on the window. I had a lot of fun doing it. And if we wait now, the clock will actually come back, and then it will just work as a clock. So I also programmed a lot of things for switching things on automatically. So in the morning it will automatically do a sunrise, in the evening it will automatically do a sunset, and in between will show the bright image. If you want to do the special effects, you have to click some buttons here in between. So let's try if it fits in this car. It didn't fit in my car. That looks pretty good. Awesome. Yeah. Good, then let's bring it to its final place.